Hi guys, it's Jasmine, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Hello, hope you subscribe and stick around for more. We are doing another hair toner video. If you guys didn't already know, I'm obsessed with trying to find the right shade of blonde. I've been silver, platinum, white, brown, and all the colours in between that. So in today's video, I thought I would test out a toner which I haven't tried before. It is the Colour Charm Wella T27. This is in medium beige blonde. Now, I'm kind of on a mission at the moment to try and find my natural hair colour shade in a toner. I'm kind of hoping that the T27 is it, but I'm not entirely sure. So this is roughly 6 to 8 weeks worth of growth, and this is the T18, which is still left over on my hair. So you can see this is pretty white. It's basically, we're still platinum. It's just a slightly yellowier version, but all the toner is 100% washed out. But our first step is to bleach our roots because that's a lot of growth that's coming through. And one huge thing that I really hate is, even though my hair is naturally blonde, it just looks so dark against platinum. So, ingredients we will be needing to bleach our hair. Number one, this is the Jerome Bblonde. I just use one of the sachet packets and then I mix it with some 20 volume developer, which for me is the perfect strength to actually bleach and lift my hair to the colour that I want it. But not only am I bleaching my roots today, 5 minutes before we wash the bleach off, I'm going to also bring it down the rest of my hair just to strip it of any additional toner. Because I have layers and layers of old toner residue just like in my hair. It's present. I've got box dye in here, I've got toners in here, there's a lot of stuff. A huge in-depth video of how to bleach your roots from home, I'll put it in the little eye view, and I'll also put it in the description down below so you can check that out after this video. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. Okay, so all the bleach is applied to my roots. The next step is to wait for it to cook. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes, then I'm gonna apply it to the rest of my hair for a further 5 to 10-ish minutes. And then we can start the whole toning process, which is the exciting part. And then we can really see what color the T27 is. I'm really hoping that it is a really nice beige, warm blonde that isn't yellow. Okay, let's... Whoa. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, we have some very well developed hair. Oh yeah. This literally looks perfect. Oh, we did a good job, guys. I'm gonna wash this out now because my hair literally feels like it's gonna fall off. I'm gonna shampoo my hair twice because I wanna make sure all the bleach is gone, but I also wanna make sure my hair is wet and prepared for the toner, which I'm super excited for. So, I'll see you in like 5 seconds. This is honestly the most ultimate yellow I think I've ever been. And to make things a little bit easier to really get a good sense of what the T27 is gonna look like, we've done the whole hair. So it's gonna look super even and super cute. I'm actually so excited. Before you tone your hair, make sure that this is the color that you are before, so your hair is perfectly lifted before toning. Let's start mixing our toner. I'm actually so excited. I keep saying I'm excited because I'm excited. So first things first, we always use gloves. We also need a hair spatula, a little bowl, and of course, the main ingredients, our Colour Charm T27 and our 20 developer toner. You can also use 10% developer, but I only have 20 because I use that for bleaching and toning, so we're using 20. So the perfect toner ratio, I feel like I've said this a million times before, but I'm gonna say it again. It is 1/3 toner and 2/3 developer. 1/3 toner, 2/3 developer. Okay. Usually if I was only doing my roots, I'd only use about half of the bottle, but because I'm doing my whole head of hair, I'm gonna use the whole bottle because there's a lot of hair on my head, as you can see. So here we go. Again, open it straight into the bowl. We've got our 1/3 in here. And now we've added our 2/3 of developer. This is gonna look super good. I find the best texture is almost like gelatin, but just a little bit runnier, like snot. Like snot. Okay, and here is our toner. The sun's come in and making me look translucent, which is kind of rude. Gelatinous, but like not lumpy gelatinous, kind of like congealed custard. I don't know why I'm comparing it to really gross things. So in terms of toner, it's so easy to apply. You've got your mixture, the consistency is perfect. All you need to do is make sure your hair is damp all over, and you can apply it anywhere you like. You can start from the bottom and work your way up, or you can start from the top and work your way down. It does not matter because toner just develops. Okay, I'm gonna start straight in the middle of my hair because why not? Oh no, it's literally the same colour as my roots. It's literally the same colour as my hair currently, so I'm not sure if that's a good thing or not. The sun is trying to destroy my video. Oh, I got that right in my ear. That did not feel good. I'm actually really excited to not be platinum blonde. I still want to be blonde, but I just don't want to be super... I feel like the only word I can say is it's aggressively blonde, but I don't feel like that is really the right word. I feel like it's very rare to actually come across somebody that's really naturally, you know, platinum blonde, but it just looks really, I don't know, just unnatural. I think especially on me, I like it, but I just don't love it anymore. Just spicing it up a little bit. So I've got most of my head already, so I'm just gonna massage it into the rest of my hair. And if you feel like you've got it on there, just put more on there. That's literally it. This is so a look. Okay, I'm gonna put you on time-lapse because the rest of the technique is pretty much the same. The toner, she's in. I'm excited because it's gonna look so cute. I need to set a timer. I'm gonna set a 30-minute, oh, that was a 3 hour. So 30-minute timer already set. I spilled some, but it's okay. I also spilled some on the cupboard and it has stained it. But that's okay too, because I'm going to replace them, so it's fine. I'm a little bit concerned because it's not oxidized, and usually when I apply toner, it'll either go purple or blue or brown. It's kind of not really done anything, so that's making me a lot nervous. Okay, I'll be back. So it's officially been 30 minutes and my hair is definitely ready to be washed. I'm actually really nervous because it looks really yellow around the hairline. So we're gonna find out whether this was a good decision or not. And if not, I won't be going anywhere for the next 5 days. Oh, it's never a good sign when they look like that. Oh no. I'm gonna dry my hair now. And here is the final result. I'm not gonna lie, kind of love it. Kind of hate it too, but I love it. It's like it's the warmest kind of blonde I think I've ever been. This color just isn't quite me. I definitely think I did suit the more neutral to cooler blondes, but overall, I actually don't hate it. It really reminds me of Barbie blonde hair. Let me just show you from behind. It's not terrible. It just genuinely is bleached blonde hair. It just looks as if maybe I haven't quite applied the toner for long enough, but trust me, I did. I know I'm doing. But I keep looking at it thinking I need to put a toner on top of it. Nobody has roots that look like that, so I think that's what it is. It's just looking like, obviously, this isn't my natural hair colour. Overall, I'm actually quite pleased with it. I don't hate it. I definitely think if you've got more of a golden, deeper skin tone, this is going to be your colour. This is going to suit you so good. And I'm very envious because I'm starting to get the impression that only really cool tones suit my hair, which is really annoying me because I really don't want to be a white platinum blonde anymore. I want to be a natural blonde and I don't know how to get there. Somebody could comment something that could make my hair kind of like a, let me put it in some picture. This is what my hair originally looked like. Okay, so I feel like I really need to clarify. This photo is 5 years old. Why do I look like a T-Rex? I've just realised, why is my hair so cool toned at the top and then so warm at the bottom? What is happening? That grows out of my head. I kind of want to go a shade lighter than that. Comment down below. But that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Don't forget to check out all my other toning videos. I have a bajillion, and that's it. So love to see you. Bye.